Alright, so in order to make these delicious recipes, you're going to want to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Then you will need to have about 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 4th cup of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and about 2 large eggs. You're also going to need Marshmellows, Hershey's Kisses, Reeses, and Oreos. To start off, what we'll go to do is mix your cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, and eggs with a whisk until it is smooth. Then you're gonna grab your pie shells and put in your candy of choice. Like I mentioned, we used Reese's and Oreos for ours, and then you can basically put whatever candy you would like. I thought that this would taste really nice, and it did. After you put in your items, you're gonna fill in with the cream cheese filling, and you'll go about 3/4 of the way to the top. It does kind of expand once it's in the oven, so you don't want to overfill it. And you'll just continue that for all of your cheesecakes. After you have them filled, you're going to put these into the oven for about 30 minutes on that 350 degrees. Once you take them out after 30 minutes, I decided to top the cheesecakes with a dust of a chocolate peanut butter graham cracker. I just basically shaved it off on the grinder to get little speckles. I used the big side for a prettier look, and then smaller ones just for the granulated texture. Alright, now for our next recipe, we're going to be making our s'mores pies. So what you want to do is just break up all of your Hersheys chocolate bars, and we are going to place about 2 of them in the center of each pie crust. Then you're going to go ahead and put about 2 to 3, maybe even 4 marshmallows on the top of those chocolates. Once you're finished with assembling your pies, you're going to go ahead and put it back into that 350-degree oven, but this time you're only going to leave it in for about 8 minutes, and definitely check on it periodically depending on your oven. When it comes out, it should look like this, nice, golden, and toasty. Absolutely beautiful. Next, I decided to top these pies with Hersheys chocolate drizzle, and then I also decided to add in some caramel syrup as well. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the final bite in. Oh my gosh, look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.